Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, November 4th, 2019. If you ever wondered where November gets its name, September's name comes from septem, which was Latin for 7, and October's name comes from octo, which is Latin for 8. However, when the months were changed around, it no longer made sense. So, November actually means 9, but we all know that it's actually the 11th month of the year. But just random fun facts. Anyways, please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Today, celebrating a birthday in 3rd grade is Marian Rodriguez. Have a happy, happy birthday, and don't forget to come get your present from my office. Today, we are focusing on being respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Also, idea 12. When grading other students' papers, give only the correct grade. You could think about why this is. Sometimes when teachers have you swap papers, if it's your friend or you're nervous or you don't want to grade them appropriately because, maybe they're not doing so well and you feel bad. But really that's not helping them actually learn. So make sure you grade it just with it's right or wrong. Make sure it's the correct answer. Then that way they can learn. All right, our vocabulary word of the day is dedicate. To devote time, effort, or oneself to a particular task or purpose. Miss Tripto has dedicated a lot of her weekend to her dog, Bear. You should dedicate a lot of your time to focusing in class and studying and doing your homework and reading 30 minutes a day. Some announcements are, thank you to those of you who have given me the $5. I have emailed Mr. Brown and gotten you your IDs. If you're still missing your ID, please tell your homeroom teacher, and we will get an email to Mr. Brown as soon as possible, as soon as you turn that $5 in. Do not lose it once it has been replaced. Today is Monday. That means you go back to homeroom for academic block. And now take a minute to look at your uniform. Make sure you have the correct shoes, pants, polo, and your belt. Also, a reminder that your shirt needs to be tucked in, and then if you have a non-idea jacket, right now is the time to take it off and put it in your backpack. If you say, but Miss Tripto, I'm cold, that's fine. Outside you can wear a jacket that may be a little bit thicker, but inside the building you have to have your regular idea jacket pictured below, or the fleece idea jacket. But those are your only two options. Or you can always wear a long sleeve shirt underneath your polo. That is allowed. All right. Some announcements for the week. Today, you are all focusing. Tomorrow, you guys have 4th grade writing, kinder math, 5th grade math. Wednesday, you have 3rd grade math. Thursday, 2nd grade and 4th grade have math exams, and on Friday, 3rd and 4th reading tests and 1st grade math. Make sure you're in school every single day so you can be successful on these tests. On Friday, we had 47 scholars out. I need to change that, which means we only hit 93% attendance, so we did not meet our goal of 97.5. Please look at the weather at the bottom. This week is actually a gorgeous week. You don't need any heavy jackets, except maybe something a little bit warmer in the morning. But other than that, it seems like it's going to be a really nice week. And on Thursday, it may actually not rain. So you have a beautiful week. So you should get here every single day so you could be entered in our Friday challenge. Also, I have some really big news coming up about our next challenge for December. So you have to be here. There are 15 days until Thanksgiving break. And then once you are here, you get entered in the raffle. And if you've been here every single one of those days, you get this special surprise that I will let you guys know about this week. All right, please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a magnificent Monday, and remember that choice is all yours. Have a happy day. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we really love you, and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students who are out. Jojo message them and make sure that you let Miss Prez and myself know on the ADA text. Thank you.